Hello guys, my name is Srinivas Rao. I am a Python trainer. I have 20 years of experience both in teaching as well as development experience. Today we are discussing about strings. What are strings? String is nothing but a sequence of characters. Combination of characters is nothing but string. Example, Python. See, P is one character, Y is one character, T is one character, H is one character, O is one character, N is one character. Combination of all characters is called a string. And here in Python, we can enclose a string by using single quotes, double quotes, or also we can enclose by using triple quotes also. Triple single quotes, triple double quotes. This all we will discuss, practically we will discuss. Example, for example, if my string contains double quotes, then we should enclose with single quotes. All we will see practical. I will go to PyCharm and first I will declare one variable. For example, my str. My str equals to, what I will do, I will put single quotes now. Python. See, this string is enclosed with single quotes. So, here in Python we can enclose with single quotes, double quotes and also triple quotes. So, and what I will know, I will print this. So, this is valid string my str. The name of the variable is my str and I will print this my str. And then I run this program. When you run this program, you got Python. Right. So, likewise even we can enclosed with a double quotes also. Now, what I do? I will put a double quotes here. This is also valid string, and when I run this, see, even we got the same output as Python. For example, what I do? I will declare one variable, but this time I will assign another value. Python is a programming language. And this programming language I will enclose with double quotes. I will enclose with this programming string, substring, I will enclose with double quotes. But now we got the error. Why? Because I opened with double quotes, I closed with double quotes, but inside this string there is one substring called programming, and I am open with double quotes and close with double quotes. Now, I will get error. Why? Because there are two double quotes in the string, two double quotes, and we got the error. Syntax error, invalid syntax, because this is invalid substring. So, if you want to make it valid, what will do? We have to enclose with single quotes. Now, this will work because we enclose with single quotes. Inside substring we have double quotes, but outside string we have single quotes. Now, this will work. Now, you will not get any error. Yes, Python is programming language. For example, my string is enclosed with double quotes. Okay. Now, we should use this single quotes here. Inside the string we should give single quotes. Now, this will work properly. Yes, Python is programming language. Right. For example, now I have multi-line string. My string contains multiple lines. Example, I will declare one variable called my str. In this my str, we have 3 lines, for example, 3 or 4 lines. So, I will say this is line 1, this is line 1. Okay. For example, there are 3 or 4 lines. I will copy this, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. So, my string has now multiple lines. When you have multiple lines, we should use triple quotes, triple double quotes, or triple single quotes. For example, if I enclose with double quotes, it will not work. Now, see here, I am enclosed with double quotes here, and at the last line again I will enclose with double quotes. Now, again this will not work. Now, it will give a syntax error. We got the syntax error. So, the solution is what? The solution is for this problem, the solution is either triple single quotes see triple single quotes. Now this will work. Now you won't get an error. See, what will you know? I'll print this. I'll print this. Print my str. Print my str. Now you will get the output. Yes, line 1, 3 lines. We are printing 3 lines here. Okay. Either you can use triple quotes, single quotes, or you can use triple double quotes. Triple double quotes. So, this also works, right. Now, there is one concept called escape characters. There is one concept called escape characters. Escape character. So, suppose to insert characters that are illegal in a string, we can use escape characters. So, Python is, for example, now what I will do? I will create one variable, same variable, but this time I will type here what, for example, Python is most famous language, famous programming language. This is one string, and in this string here famous it has one single quotes here, and for programming there is double quotes here, double quotes. Now, this is invalid. See, when you run this program you will get error, you will get error. So, we got the error here. So, for this solution, for this problem there is one solution, we should use escape characters. Escape characters, to insert escape characters that are illegal in a string, you can use escape character. So, escape character is double backward slash. So, what we will do here? Here it prefix with what? Backward slash, and here also you prefix with backward slash. Now, this will work. So, this is called escape character. This slash is called escape character. So, this string became valid. If you run this program, you will get output. No, you won't get an error. You won't get an error now. Now, you won't get an error. So, this is a valid. So, this backslash is called escape character, right. So, we are done with how to enclose a string, right. Now, next is how to access. See, I want to access some characters from the string. See, every string maintains index number. For example, I have one called Python, for example, Python. Now, every string maintains index numbers. For example, this P contains 0, the index number starts from 0 from the left hand side. The index number of P is 0, index number of Y is 1, for T it is 2, for H it is 3, and it is 4, and the last character is 5. So, these are called index numbers. Index numbers. Every string maintains index numbers. Now, I want to access H. I want to access this H from this string. If you want to access a single character H, so that we can use this index number called 3. By using this, we can access a single character. For example, so this is my string, Python is my string, and I want to access a single character from this string. The index number of H is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, my str in square bracket notation, we should give the name index number, that is 3. Okay. So, now I can access, I will print here, print, yes. Now, when you run this, H will be accessed. See here, H is accessed. You can access any single character using index number. For example, I want to access the first character. If you want to access first character, just give 0 here and run this. P is accessed. P is accessed. Okay. So, index number can be either positive or negative. For example, I have again same string P Y T H O N. Positive index number starts with from left hand side 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we also have negative index number. Negative index number starts from -1, the last character -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. These are called negative indexing number. Even we can access these characters by using these negative numbers. Okay. Let me see using negative indexing numbers. So, I want to access last character. If you want to access last character, so we have -1. What will do? I will go to this PyCharm again. Now, what will instead of 0 1 I will give -1. So, from back it starts from -1. -1 is the first index number. Okay. From left hand side it starts from 0, from right hand side it starts from -1. To access last character we given as -1. See this output now, see n, n is the last character we access. Okay. For example, I want to access O. If you want to access O, a single character by using index negative index number will give us -2 and run this. When you run this, this O will be accessed, this O will be accessed. Okay. So, this is a way to access a single character by using either positive indexing number or negative index number. Right. See this example here, Python. So, index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is positive. The first character of the string is P. It has index number 0 and is accessed by using square bracket notation, and it just gives 0 here. The third character of the string is T. This is T here. Okay. And the index number is 2. So, we should put in square bracket notation 2, and the final character of the string is N. It has index number 5 and it is accessed by using square bracket notation 5. Right. This is about positive. Negative indexing, the characters in a string can be also indexed counting back from end to end of the string. This is known as negative indexing. The final character of the string has negative index number -1. See here, negative index always starts from right hand side and starts from -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So, by using this negative also, negative indexing also, we can access a single character. Right. Next concept is very important, that is slicing. If you want to access portion of the string, if you want to access, for example, my string contains Python programming language. This is my string. I want to access from this point to this point. This substring, I want to access this this is one substring. From this string, I want to access this substring. So, we should know the index number of P and this G. Okay. So, the syntax for slicing, square bracket notation, start index, colon, stop index. Start index, colon, stop index, and this stop index is not included. It is discluded. Okay. It is not included. So, I want to find the index number of this P, and if you want to include Z also, we should access if we want to know the index number of this space. Space is also one character in string. So, I should know the index number of this P and the index number of this space. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is 6. So, you should put here 6 colon, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and you should give here 17. So, when you put here 6 colon 17, this substring can be accessed. So, this is called slicing. So, slicing at what? What is the syntax? Start index, it is 6, and stop index, it is 17. So, I will go to program, I will create one string, my is here, I will take same variable, but this time I will give here Python programming language. Right. Now, by slicing, how? String name, the string variable name is myHR, in square bracket, okay. Start index is what? Start index is 6 colon, what is stop index? 17. 17 is stop number. So, the space, this space is 17th index number, it is in 17th index number. Now, what I will do? I will print this variable now. I will print this my str. Yes. Now, I will run, we will see programming means you should give 18 here. So, the index number of this space is 18, and when I run this you will get substring called programming, right. For example, what I will know, I will remove this 6, I will remove this 6. What is this what is this meaning? Okay. See, the syntax is, again I will repeat the syntax for slicing. Square bracket notation, start index and stop index. So, both are optional, it is not compulsory, both are optional. When you do not provide start index, it starts from 0. If you do not provide start index, it starts from 0th index, 0 index. Again, when you do not provide stop index, it will this is also optional, until last character, it will access until last character. So, this is the syntax of slicing. Now, what we will do, we will write one program using this one. Okay, we'll skip one start index and stop index. So, come back here. Now, what I will do here, start index I given nothing, empty, and I given stop index 18. So, this 0, now if you do not provide start index, it starts from 0, from P, and 18 is the index number of stop index, means this is a space here. So, this is start index, sorry, and until this is stop index, and this is start index. I will print. So, it starts from 0 until programming. So, the output is Python programming, right. Now, what I will do here, I will keep this 18 here, not 18, I will give 19. So, it starts from L, until the last character. I am not providing this stop index here. If you do not provide stop index, it will access until the last one. So, the final output will be language, the output is language, right. Now, even we can use negative index also. For example, if suppose example, I am not giving any start index, I am not giving any stop index. So, when you run this program, it will start from P to Python programming language, it will give Python programming language, see here, Python programming language, right. Now, another syntax is, even you have one more syntax of slicing. Start index, colon, stop index, colon, there is one more parameter called step. Okay. Now, we will do one example by using this syntax, another syntax. So, I will go here, and now this time I will use my str in square bracket notation. Okay. I am not giving anything, no start index, means it starts from 0. I will not give stop index, means it will access until last, and now I will give 2 here, step is 2. So, when I give step is 2, it prints from second character, first starts from P, it will print P, next it skips Y, and again it prints T. Okay. I will show you just a minute, right. Colon, start number nothing, stop index number nothing, and step is 2. When you give step is 2, so it prints from, it gives P the first character, then T, okay. T means it is skipping Y, it is skipping Y, it is printing T, then it will skip H, then it is print O, again it will skip N space, next is P will skip, again R, okay, O will skip G, like that. Every second character it will print. If you give 3, every third character it will print. If you give 3 here, the step is 3, every third character it will print. Say P, H, every third character. P, after P it will skip YT, then H, then O, then A, then I, then N and A, every third character will print. Okay. Now, for example, if I do not give anything here, no start number, no stop number, no step number, it will print entire string. This already we discussed, but now what I do? Now what I will do? I will run this program, it will print all string, Python program is. Now here I will give -1, -1 a step, but there is no start number, there is no stop number, means it starts from last. So it will print, it will reverse the string, it will reverse the string. See, it is reversing the string. Now based on this, what we will do? We will write one program, we will check whether the given number is, whether the given string is palindrome or not. Now what is palindrome? We will write a simple program, we will check whether the given string is palindrome or not. So what is, you should know what is palindrome? Palindrome string or palindrome numbers are there. What is palindrome? Palindrome string. See, for example, I will show you an example. For example, madam, M-A-D-A-M. This is one string. When you reverse this string, when you reverse again it is M-A-D-A-M, the same string if reverse also. So we will see, we will check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. Okay, one more example, mom, this is also palindrome, dad, this is a one palindrome, because if when you reverse mom, again it is mom only, M-O-M only. When you reverse dad, again it is dad only. Likewise, for example, there is one string called Malayalam. When you reverse Malayalam, again the same string, Malayalam only. So what we will write is a simple program to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. What I will do? I will go to PyCharm and I will create one variable, same variable mystr. This time what I will do? I will give you as madam, right. Now what I will do? I will declare one more variable, my revstr, for example, reverse str equals to my str in square bracket notation, start number nothing, stop number nothing, step number as -1. Now what happens? This madam will reverse. This madam will reverse and will store in my reverse str. Then what I will do here? I will compare. If my str double equals to, this is comparison operator, my reverse str. If both are true, indentation. If both are true, then what I will do? I will print it is a palindrome string. It is a palindrome string. Otherwise, if it is not equals to true, then it should print it is not a palindrome. It is not a palindrome string. It is not a palindrome string. Yes, done. Now I will run this program. When I run this program, see what is my input? My input is madam. Madam is what? It is a palindrome string. It is a palindrome string. Okay, and we will check with another string, for example, Malayalam. MALAYALAM, Malayalam, and again I run this. When I run this, same thing, it is a palindrome string, because when you reverse Malayalam, it is same string. Now this time I will give Python. See, when you reverse Python, it is not Python, right? It is something other than Python. So when you run this, now we will get it is not a palindrome string. So by using slicing, we can write programs like this. Yes. How to slice? We have discussed, we have done. Now string operators, we have some operators here. Same operators like in arithmetic operators, same we can do with even this one. See, we have concatenation operator, place is concatenation operator, repetition is asterisk operator. First we will start with concatenation operator. So, I want to concatenate. For example, what I will do now, I will declare one more string. Python is one string, okay, and second string is, for example, my str1. My str1 is Python, and my str2. I declare one more variable called my str2 equals to, maybe one minute, just a sec. My str2 equals to, for example, program, 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 programming, Python programming, and one more str, my str3 equals to language. So there are three strings. I want to join these three strings. If you want to join these three strings, we have one operator called plus operator. Using this plus operator, this operator is for string it is concatenation operator. For numbers it is addition operator, but for strings it is concatenation. I want to concatenate. So what I will do? I will declare one variable, for example, str equals to my str1 concatenation operator plus my str2 plus my str3. So I concatenated here my str1, my str2, my str. These three strings are concatenated. I will store in str. Now I will print str. So print str. When I run this, these three strings will be concatenated. See here, Python programming language is concatenated, but I want space between Python programming and language. So what will you do here? Again you concatenate this also. So I will give this space here, plus again here also plus, yes. Now I included space between these three strings by using again concatenation operator, and when I run this, now you got a Python space programming language. So like this we can concatenate by using plus operator. Plus operator is called concatenation operator. Now there is one more operator called asterisk. What is asterisk? It is called a repetition operator. If you want to repeat, what we will do? We will use this asterisk. For example, this is my string, and what I will know? I want to repeat. So I will say str equals to my str1, and I will use asterisk operator. I want to repeat for 3 times. So I will put this 3 here, and I will print this str. Yes. See, it is printing 3 times. In the next session, in next video session, we will be discussing about slicing, comparison operator, okay, relational operators, okay, membership operators. All these things we will discuss in next video session. Okay. Please, if you like this video, click on like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.